Want to know how to remove followers on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove followers in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your TikTok profile. Now tap on the followers right above the share profile icon. Likewise, tap on the three-dot line right beside the follower's profile. Here you can see the remove this follower option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the remove option. So this is how you can remove followers on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.